So yeah. Um, all right, so let's see, packing list. We got one. I don't see that, but I'm guessing these are the things that. There's a lot of things on the picture I'm looking at. I do see. That's obvious. That's where they are. Get some stuff on this nozzle thing. They got some foam under the platform too, and yeah. So I'm gonna do my best to have conversation, pay attention to everybody. Um, Probably not going to be able to. I'm gonna pull up a chair and talk and make sure. I'm gonna bring my level down a little bit in the camera just to get a better shot because I'm gonna be sitting down. So yeah. Anyway, I'm probably not gonna be in the proper shot at least on how I'm gonna be chilling on the chair. Feel like I might need a chair, but I don't know yet. Let me. All right, so let me start out by looking at what I need. So, okay, unboxing showed me this. Okay, installation of the gantry. So first thing I need to do is remove all accessories from the foam and take out the component. The gantry base and remove the foam located under. So that means there's 3 foams. So I need to find those 3 and one. That's foam 1. 2. Foam 3. And I'll pick up a little bit. Alright, so the foams are gone. Alright. Remove the 4 fixing plates shown in the diagram and separate the gantry frame from the base. And so that means I need tools. Pack of tools, they provide you everything that you need in these tools. Yes! And it's funny though, I have a screwdriver with all these little kits in it to make my life easier, so much easier. But honestly, did not prep this for these setups. Tools, I'm guessing I need to be super careful. So I'm not taking out everything that I don't need unless I get to that page before I flip out that I dropped something that I'm not supposed to drop and I start crying because it broke. To be honest, I was actually looking to just purchase a printer that was like fully built already. And I'm gonna pause my camera and rewatch a little bit of these clips because I feel like right now I am so out of frame because I moved the camera down a little bit. So I'm gonna rerun and see. To be honest, I wasn't that bad out of the frame. Like my head's a little cropped out, but it's okay. I'm fine with that. Because I'm being on something I want the focus to be on the printer. not on me. So yeah. Well, I need to remove this these little four plates. It looks like is it okay? I hope I'm doing all this is right because I'm so white now. Like the parts I'm not talking in, I'm gonna fast forward them while I'm editing, just to make it less boring and not like 2 hours long, but maybe I don't know. But I am gonna do my best on the edit just to get some of these stuff like moving faster. And yeah, I hope you guys do give me good feedback. I'm not caring about good feedback, but I'm looking the type of feedback I think I'm looking for. More like, hey, do this for the lighting, might help you. You know, like I said, I'm super new to this. So yeah. I wish I remember where I put my box of tools with all this thing. But I'm kind of glad right now. I'd rather do this manual. It's taking me forever. But maybe after doing this one, and as things pick up, I wanna by next year, this time around, I wanna have like at least like maybe this around this year, I wanna have at least maybe 2 or 3 printers. I'm hoping 2 or 3 printers, that would be awesome, or even more. So including this one, look at and by next year time, that's my hope. No. But I'm gonna put this to the side. I'm gonna bring the chair around because it looks like some of this stuff, it's not just as simple as it looks. I'm gonna need to take a seat. It's gonna be a long editing session of everything I gotta go through. So yeah, I think that was the reason I lowered the camera so I can talk to people, and while doing this, and being super careful. So that way I don't damage this. Okay, I see the other plate they were talking about. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. And it's funny, I thought I could use like power tools. But to be honest, doesn't look like I can. Yeah. This is gonna be a long while. So for now, to make my life easier, I'm not gonna talk much. In a second, get up, turn on some music. Also, go up, get up and do all these music things. Don't have big hands. Don't have big hands. These are for like tiny people hands. Part of me wish, like right now, how am I gonna say? All right, one plate out. So yeah, let me show you exactly. So this little plate right there, I need to take 4 of them out. I got one, there was one right there that you probably see the holes, you know, the little single hole. I got that first one out. So yeah, I got this one here, that one here, yeah. And I got one over here that I need to take out. So yeah, it's gonna take me a long while to finish that. Yeah, so enjoy the journey. I am gonna put some music in my background. When you realize you could just slightly, gently move the plate to make unscrewing it so much easier. I was actually complaining over there when I was talking because I had my music playing, so do not feel like starting my year with being demonetized at all by putting the wrong music. So I had my music playing, and then towards the end, as you can see, I realized I could slightly move the gantry. I think that's the gantry, whatever it's called. I can slightly move it. Yeah, I wish I knew that sooner when I was unscrewing these things, that I could slightly move it. There's little things here like wire thing, I'm guessing, to hold it, and I'm gonna cut these. It looks like I'm supposed to cut it. I'm not sure what's the best angle. I'm gonna go back here. Just slightly. Oh. Don't damage my thing at all. Just gonna fix my thing right now. This is dangerous. So, yeah, wish I knew that sooner than later, but whatever. Over the prayer, yeah, and the base. So yeah, we're going to the next step. I'm gonna need the 4mm, and so I'm gonna put these little things back, even though I don't care if I lose any of them because I do have a bunch of them. So, okay. So separate the gantry one. So after I'm done removing all these plates and let me not try to do this thing while I'm sitting down. Again, one of the reasons I was really terrified of buying a not fully built printer. Yeah, so yeah. Is there something else holding this? Ah, okay. Boom. Okay. So I'm trying to, at the same time, record this best that I can without trying to damage